Stop paying for diagramming tools because Google Docs does it for free, and it does it well. Flowcharts, process maps, decision trees, all of it. With no credit card, no new tab, no "your free trial has ended" message ruining your morning. Most people don't even know the feature exists. So in this video, we're walking through the full step-by-step guide on how to make a flowchart in Google Docs. All right, let's get into it. First things first, open a blank Google Doc. Then go to File, Page Setup, and switch the orientation to Landscape, because most flowcharts work well horizontally. It gives you a lot more room to work with. Then go to Insert, hover over Drawing, and hit New. A blank canvas will pop up right inside your doc. That's your flowchart workspace, and everything from here happens in there. Then add your shapes by clicking on the Shapes tool. You'll see a full set of flowchart-specific shapes at the bottom of the menu, and if you hover over any of them, Google will actually tell you what each one means. Once your shapes are in, it's time to connect them with arrows. Click the Line tool in the toolbar and choose Arrow or Elbow Connector from the dropdown. Elbow connectors are great for keeping things neat. They auto-snap to shapes and create clean right-angle lines. It's way less fiddly than drawing everything freehand. Now add your text. Select a text tool. It's the boxed T in the toolbar, and click inside a shape to start typing. To adjust the font, size, or alignment, just highlight the text and hit the three-dot menu. And if you've got multiple shapes with the same style, copy-paste one and update the text. It's a lot faster than formatting each one from scratch. When you're done, hit the Save and Close button. Your flowchart will drop right into your document like an image. And if you need to go back and edit it later, just double-click it, and you'll be taken straight back to the canvas. So that's the full process, and for a simple flow, it works surprisingly well. The problems start when your diagram grows a little. Add a few branches, throw in some parallel tracks, and suddenly the canvas starts feeling complicated. There are no templates to start from, you get limited shapes, and there's zero real-time collaboration, meaning if two people need to work on it, one of them is just watching. It's not ideal. As a quick personal diagram, it's great. Anything more than that, that's when Google Docs taps out, and ClickUp steps in. As the world's first converged AI workspace, ClickUp was built for exactly the kind of work Google Docs can't handle. Real-time collaboration, complex workflows, and flowcharts that actually connect to the work behind them. Start with ClickUp Whiteboards. It's an infinite canvas with drag-and-drop shapes, real-time collaboration, and the ability to convert anything on your board directly into a task. Multiple people can edit the same board simultaneously without taking turns. Then there's ClickUp Brain, a context-aware AI assistant. If you're staring at a blank canvas and not sure where to start, just describe what you need in plain language, and ClickUp Brain will outline visuals for you. No guesswork, no blank canvas anxiety. And if you'd rather skip the blank canvas entirely, there are ready-to-use flowchart templates built right in. Pick one, customize it, and you're already halfway there. So there you have it. If you need a quick diagram and you're not trying to overcomplicate things, Google Docs is genuinely good enough. Free, fast, no friction. But if your flowchart needs to live inside of bigger workflow, connect to your team's tasks, and actually move work forward, that's ClickUp's territory. And it's free to try, so there's no reason not to. Sign up for free. Links in the description.